and welcome to the second video on my channel. So today I have this, but it's broken right here. We're gonna be fixing it today. I want to slice this little pin off so I can take it out, put it like underneath the table like that, and then clamp it down like this. Alright guys, so I'm here with the forge. I got the pin out, so now I need to make a new one. I have this right here. This will be our new pin. Gonna light it up. Open up the gas. We're just gonna pop it in there. So boom, now it's in there. Hey guys, so I just realized we pretty much already have something that's gonna work. Alright guys, so this right here is what I'm looking for. We are gonna need to cut it. And skablam. There we go. Let's pop that in the forge. And we'll be ready. Let's let that sit. Alright guys, sorry about that. My camera ran out of space, so I had to delete some things off of it. But as you can see, we have some red hot steel. see if it fits. We need it to fit through these holes right there. So we're just gonna see here. Kablam, and then that keeps it from sliding out. Thank you guys for watching. Future videos with the Forge coming. So hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video.